Guys, this is my Mac, and every so often while working, I come across this little devil, which is your .rar, which is your RAR file. So how do you open it up? If I just click on it, it is not going to open it because it says I don't have an application. So what is the application that we are going to use? For that, let's go to App Store, and in App Store, let's go to search bar and type in an archiver. This is the spelling for that. Let's click enter, and here you can see it is the first option that pops up. Click on get install. You may be asked for your Apple ID password for this. So here you can see my Apple ID has come up, install, and yes, it is going to ask me for a password to authorize this transaction. It's not really a transaction, it is a free application, but you have to put it in anyway. And here you can see we've put in the password. It's now going to download for us, and it has been downloaded. Let's click on open. So here you can see all the archive formats that are available. So by default, some of these archive formats are already selected. Let's keep it on that. So we are more interested in the RAR archive or a RAR archive. So let's click on extraction over here. Let's click on extraction, and here it will ask me where I want to unarchive it to. So I will select the same folder as archive. Every time it can also ask for a destination folder if you're so interested. Go to advanced. This all is okay. After this, hit enter. So once you're done with all of these settings, just turn it off or close it. And now that we have this RAR file, with your two fingers click on it or right click on it, and here you have an option of open with. You also have archive utility, or you can just click on other and then select an application. So here you can see in applications we have the unarchiver. Select it, open, and now it's going to ask me where I want to extract it. I'll just select my folder, and there you go, it has actually unarchived. So or the RAR file is no longer a RAR file, right? This is what was in that sample RAR file. So that is how you extract a RAR file or open a RAR file on Mac. This will work for any Mac, your MacBook, your iMac, your Mac Mini, any of them. If you have liked the video, do drop a like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel.